Also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2017 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.